Brent Yates, our fearless leader,
Yeah.
you created this,
Yeah.
created this brand, you created this movement and this invention that is changing the way that we look at weighted vests, the way we experience weighted vests. Why?
Yeah. So just know I'm super humbled here today, just to be amongst not only you guys, but to hear the science, to hear people that confirm what I put the last 5 years of my life into was building a product that we could all use and make us better. If you heard me at the very beginning, I talked about the book. If you read the book or my story, 17 years ago, I lost my health. What I met was a trainer that put me under his wing 17 years ago in Phoenix, and I learned about what Jesse's talking about with center body. Not just how to train it, but how to feed into it mentally, physically. What I was putting in my body was all wrong. So don't wait until your body breaks down to go, oh, I'll fix it later. If you wait, it can be too late. But ultimately what I learned about center body, 15 years later, had sold a company, our company, my son and I had built a company and sold it in 2017. 2020, I decided to start doing long drive golf ball contests. So I got my tour card. I'd played a little bit of professional golf in my early years. Just got my tour card, and I tore my supraspinatus at 60 years old, which was 5 years ago. For 13 years, I had worked on my body. I'd lost my health, then worked on my body and was in tip-top shape. And I kept asking God, at night going, why did you have to tear my shoulder? Night after night, I asked that question, and finally I heard, and now what are you going to do? So a challenge, unaudibly for God, now what are you going to do? I wrote the book. Within 5 days, I was starting to write, wrote the book, and within 2 to 3 weeks, I was thinking, all right, I've got to go through PT. Within 4 months, I'd lost 10 pounds of muscle. And it all went right here. And I went, how am I going to beat this? I'm almost 61 years old. How am I going to change that? I had done some scuba diving. I had worn compression sleeves. I tried every weight vest on the market, and they all sucked. What Jesse was talking about, they moved on your body. They were not functional. They were not healthy. And they looked terrible, like you were shoving bean bags in them. You were strapping them. You were cinching them. I wouldn't be seen in it, but I'm now 61 going, I'll get hurt. So if I can compress it to my body, and a lot of this was learned along the way, but if I could compress it to my body, trap my body heat, add intensity, I can have the body, I can have the health, I can still have a sense of youth at 62 years old. I did Muscle Fitness magazine at 61 and a half years old.
Give it up.
I showed Gary the picture about 6 months ago, and he's like, dude, you need to show that across the world. What I saw, though, and that guy, where's Kyle? Where's Kyle? Kyle took the picture. What I saw was, and I was still developing the vest, was the vascularity. The compression that they're talking about and the heat, that's healing. Does everybody understand that you can heal, you can burn calories and build muscle at the same time? That's what we've developed. This team around me, I didn't do it all. Without everybody around me, none of this happens. I have the most amazing team. Jeremy Hills, Gary Brecka, now these people, no, I mentioned earlier, it's all about team. But ultimately, what we built and Lifetime recognized, now we get to partner. I'm 16 months open. 16 months, and here we are. So I'm thrilled that you're listening. I'm thrilled that these people back the science that I had to learn over the last 5 years to be able to sit up here, to be able to communicate with you. But what I can tell you is that guy down there on the end that's been wearing it, I've been watching his body change. I get to see him on Instagram too. Your body will change in a matter of months. Compressing the time, doing less work, it's all about that. I don't want to work harder, but I want to work shorter and smarter. Know that this vest will transform your body. The modalities can't be matched. We patented it. We're proud we're a part of Lifetime today.
Give it up for Brent Yates. So amazing.